Can you factor out these quadratic equations? This, this, and this? Kung hindi, panoorin mo ito hanggang sa huli. Unang-una sa lahat, ano ba tong factoring at saan ba to ginagamit? Ang factoring ay ginagawang simple yung expression at ginagamit natin to madalas sa mga simplifying equations, lalo na dun sa mga higher maths. Meron tayong more than 5 factoring techniques na ginagamit, pero in this video meron akong 6. So stay tuned. These are the 6 factoring techniques: factoring out GCF, sum product and difference product technique, difference of two square, perfect square trinomial, grouping, and the last is trial and error. So isa-isa natin sila. The first factoring technique is factoring out GCF. So sagot na natin. Number 1, 5x squared minus 15, factor. So ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung GCF ng dalawang term. Kasi dalawa lang naman term yan. So the GCF of these two numbers is 5. So ilalabas lang natin, tapos gawa tayo ng parenthesis, and then divide. Each 5x squared divided by 5 is x squared. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. So this is the factored form of this quadratic equation. Next example, factor this. So ang GCF ng dalawang terms na to is 3x. So divide natin each. 6x squared divided by 3x is 2x. Next, 9x divided by 3x is 3 na lang kasi makakancel yung x. So this is the factored form of this quadratic. Last example. So nakikita natin na may common sila na 5. So divide each. 5x squared divided by 5 is x squared. 5x divided by 5 is x na lang. 50 divided by 5 is 10. X squared plus x plus 10 is not factorable. So this is the final answer or the factored form of this quadratic. Let's go to the next factoring technique. Tambay lang kayo dyan kasi inuna ko yung basic factoring techniques. So next na tayo. The second factoring technique is sum product and difference product technique. So ito yung form niya. X plus or minus a multiplied by x plus or minus b. Ito yung mga quadratic equation kung saan ang katabi ng x squared is 1. Ito 1 lang kapag walang nakikita. Ito 1. So sagutan na natin. Number 1 example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Ang gagawin natin, focus tayo sa constant. And now, mag-iisip ka ng dalawang numbers na pag minultiply mo is 6, pag inad mo is 5. So dito tayo mag-focus. So 6, pwedeng 1 and 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 plus 6, 5. Mali. So mali na to. So next is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Tama. So ang gagamitin natin is 2 and 3. So paano ba yan? Gagawin natin, gawa tayo ng dalawang parenthesis. At susulat tayo ng dalawang x kasi x times x is x squared. Ngayon, i-insert na natin tong dalawang number dito. Since positive yan, so we have here. This is the final answer. This is the factored form of this quadratic. Next example. Focus tayo dito. Try tayo. 1 times 14 is 14. Dapat itong sama. 1 times 14 is 14. 1 plus 14 is 15. So, mali na to kasi dapat negative 9 yung sum. Next, 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Pero, pag inad mo sila is 9. Nakalagay dito is negative. So, ang gagawin natin, dapat pareha sila negative. Kasi, negative 2 times negative 7 is positive 14, while ang sum nila is negative 9. So, ito yung dalawang numbers na gagamitin natin. Ulit, gawa tayo ng ganito. Then, x lang. Lagyan ng x na dalawa. And now, copy yung sign nila. Minus 2, minus 7. Kahit alin sa dalawa, kahit saan sila dito kasi pares lang naman sila may x. So, this is the factored form of this quadratic. Let's have the next factoring technique. The next factoring technique is difference of two squares. In the form a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So, difference of two squares. Naka-square, naka-square. So, sagot tayo. 25x squared pwede natin isulat as 5x squared. Kasi, loss of exponent, distribute mo lang yung 2. 5 squared is 25. X squared is x squared. So, eto is same lang dito. Next, 9 is a perfect square number. Magiging 3 squared. Same lang yan. And now, meron na tayong form. This is equal to this form. So, this is A. This is B. Sulat tayo ng dalawang ganito. And gamit to, A plus B. So, A, 5x, plus B is 3. Well, sa kabila, A minus B. 5x minus 3. So, this is the factored form of this quadratic. Next example. X squared, pwede natin isulat as x squared. Minus 36 is a perfect square number. We have 3 squared. And now, difference of 2 squared. Ito na yung gagamitin natin. Ito yung A, ito yung B. So, this is equal to A plus B, x plus 6 times A minus B. Ito. Minus 6. So, this is the factored form of this. Next example, we have 81x squared minus 16. Pwede natin isulat as 9x and squared. And copy, 16 is 4 squared. Perfect square number is yung 16. So, now, gamit na natin yung formula. Ito. A plus B times A minus B. This is A. This is B. So, A plus B muna tayo. 9x plus 4. A minus B is 9x minus 4. So, this is the factored form of this quadratic. Let's have the next factoring technique. The fourth factoring technique is perfect square trinomial. So, meron tayong dalawang form. Ito yung first form. The second form is heto. So, these two are perfect square trinomial and can be factored as square of a binomial. So, yan. Give tayo ng example. First example, x squared plus 8x plus 16. This is a perfect square trinomial. Kasi, to check, divide 2, so 4. And the result, pag in-square mo, dapat ito yung makuha mo. So, we have 4. Pag in-square mo is 16. Therefore, this quadratic is a perfect squared. And yung isa pang way para ma-check ang perfect square trinomial, since plus to, gagamitin natin yung eto. Yung form a square, di ba? Pwede natin itong i-write as x squared plus 2. And meron tayong, let's say, a. And yung last is 16, pwede natin 4 squared. And eto yung b. So, b is 4. So, pag chinek mo, x squared plus 2 times 4 times x is 8x plus 4 squared is 16. So, this is a perfect squared trinomial. So, paano ba siya i-factor? Diba, heto siyang form. So, ang gagamitin nating form is eto. We have the factor of this. Ito yung a, ito yung b. Yung last lang, yung pag in-square root mo lang yung first and last term. So, we have x plus 4 squared. So, this is the final answer or the factored form of this perfect square trinomial. Another thing na hint para masabi natin perfect square trinomial is yung first and last term are perfect square. So, 9x squared, pwede natin isulat as 3x, tapos squared. And last is 2 squared. So, medyo may possibility na perfect square trinomial siya. Since minus, negative yan, 2. Ang a natin is 3x. And ang b natin is 2. So, try natin i-check. 3x squared is 9x squared. 3 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 is negative 12 kasama yung ano. So, ito nga is a perfect squared trinomial. And dito siya pumasok sa pangalawang form. So, para ma-factor out siya, this trinomial is equal to a minus b squared. So, substitute natin. Ang a natin is 3x. Ang b natin is 2. Minus 2. Then, squared natin. So, this is the factored form of this quadratic. Let's have, again, the last example for this factoring technique. Heto. So, ma-obserbahan natin na ito is perfect square kasi x raised to 2. Then, ito is pwede natin masulat as 1 over x squared kasi 1 squared is 1, x squared is x squared. So, ito is x squared. And now, positive, gagawin natin is 2. Meron na tayong a, meron na tayong b. I-insert na lang natin sila dyan. As always to plus. And 2ab. Kasi ito tayo. A is x, b is 1 over x. So, try natin i-check kung this is equal to this. 2 times x times 1 over x, cancel to. We have 2. Then ito is equal to this. So, this is a perfect squared trinomial in the form ito. So, to factor this, ito yung sagot. A plus b squared. So, alin dito yung a? X. Ang b is 1 over x. So, this is the factored form of this quadratic equation.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, madalas ito ginagamit sa mga higher math. Mga medyo challenging. So, let's have the next factoring technique. The fifth factoring technique is grouping. So, this is applicable if yung a is not equal to 1. So, yung a sa quadratic equation is yung first term. So, di na siya 1. Paano ba natin to ma-solve? Ang gagawin natin is gawa tayo ng product and sum. Parang same lang siya sa yung kaninang walang x ay walang 1 lang to. Ang gagawin natin dito is kukunin natin yung product, which is AC and sum is B. So kanina, 'di ba ang product natin is ito lang. Dito, mumultiply natin tong dalawa. We have 6, 2 times 3 6. Kanina is 1 lang, 1 times 3. Yun na agad yung multiplier ay yung product and ito yung sum. So ang sum is 5. Now, isip tayo ng dalawang numbers na pag minultiply is 6, pag inad is 5. So, basic lang, di ba? We have 2 and 3. Ngayon, gagawin natin, lalagyan natin sila ng x pareho. 2x and 3x. So, this factoring technique na grouping is, ang goal natin is mag-group sila. Etong gitna, i-replace natin sila ng nakuha nating dalawang number. So, copy natin yung una. And now, 2, 3. Kung alin ang medyo may maano tayo, ma-factor out. Since 2x, 2x, dito siya isulat. Uunahin ko siya. Then 3, yung nasa huli. Kaya isulat ko din dito siya. Now, grouping this and this. So, factored out 2x kasi nila GCF. So divide x na lang. Pag dinivide mo tong dalawa, 1 na lang. Sa kabila may GCF na 3. Pag dinivide mo is x na lang. Pag dinivide mo is 1. Makikita natin na ito isang term na lang, ito isang term na lang. So pwede natin tong malabas na common nila. GCF x plus 1. And matitira na lang is 2x plus 3. So, this is the factored form of this quadratic equation. Bigay pa tayo ng ibang example. Ito na. A is not equal to 1. So, ulit, product, sulat, and sum. This is AC. This is A, B, C. AC is 5 times negative 6. Kasama lagi yung sign. We have negative 30. And B, yung sum, 13. Now, isip ka ng dalawang numbers na pag minultiply is negative 30. Pag in-add is 13. So, ang iisipin ko is, ano ba? 2 times 15. Diba? 2 times 15, 30. 2 plus 15 is 17. Pero pag minus mo sila, 13. So, ang gagawin ko, 2 and 15. Negative yung ano na, product. So, dapat may negative sa kanila. So, let's say dito, negative 2 times 15 is negative 30. Negative 2 plus 15 is positive 13. So, tama nga. So, lalagyan natin sila ng x. So, ito na yung dalawang number na isa-substitute natin dito sa gitna. So, dito na. Copy na natin yung original. And minus 6. Then, insert natin sila dito. So, paano nga i-insert sila? O, depende kung alin ang merong common. This, uunahin ko dito yung 15x kasi mapa-factored out sila. And dito yung negative 2x. So, now, grouping na tayo. Dito merong 5x, DCF. Divide, we have x. Divide, we have 3 na lang. Sa kabila rin merong negative 2x, 2. Labas ko negative 2. Then magiging x na lang. Divide ko, magiging positive 3. Isang term. So, parehas may x plus 3, ilalabas ko sila. Natitira na lang is 5x minus 2. So, this is the factored form of this quadratic equation. So, let's have the next factoring technique, yung trial and error. Ito yung madalas ginagamit ng magagaling sa math kasi mabilisan daw. The last factoring technique is trial and error. Ito is applicable lang kapag yung A and C are prime numbers. Let's have example. Ito yung A, B, C. A is prime, 2. 3 is prime. So, applicable nga tong trial and error. Ang gagawin natin, di ba ang 2x squared, may dalawa lang naman tayong factor yan. Dapat parehas may x, di ba? Ganito. So, 2x, yung isa x, bawal yung 2 tapos x squared. Dapat parehas sila may x. And yung last is positive 3. Dalawa lang naman yung factor ng prime. 1 and itself. So, 1 and 3. So, di pa tayo sure kung dito na ba yung 1, dito na ba yung 3, and yung sign. Kaya nga, mag-trial and error tayo. What if andito yung 1, andito yung 3? So, since positive yan, positive, lahat positive, ilalagay natin is positive. Ngayon, i-check natin to kung tama ba to dito. Paano mag-check? Di ba? First to first is eto. Last to last is eto. Ang gagawin natin yung middle term. Para ma-check, multiply mo ito. Inner to inner, outer to outer. Then, plus natin. 1 times x is x. 2x times 3 is 6x. Now, i-add natin sila. 6x plus x is 7x. Tama ba? Mali. So, this is not the factor of this quadratic. So, bura natin. Ang gagawin natin, ibaliktad natin yung 1 and 3. Dito yung 3, dito yung 1. Ulit, paano ma-check kung ito ba is tama dito? Multiply yung inner and outer. Then, add sila. 3 times x is 3x. 2x times 1 is 2x. Now add 3x plus 2x is 5x. So tama nga. So ibig sabihin this factor is the factored form of this quadratic. So this is the final answer or the factored form. So bigay pa tayo ng isang example. Example, so 7 is prime, negative 3 is prime. So, alisin mo na. 3 is prime. Ang gagawin natin is trial and error. Gawa ng dalawa. Di ba 7x squared is 7x and x lang? Dapat pareha sila may x. And now, negative 3 is pwedeng 1 and 3 lang naman, di ba? So, ngayon, dito naman tayo magkakaano sa sign. since negative yan, yung product, ibig sabihin, dapat one of the sign of this is positive at yung isa negative. So, let's say dito, positive, negative. Trial and error tayo. Ulit, paano nga ma-check kung this is the same dito? Multiply yung inner and outer. 1 times x is x, 7x times 3 is negative 21x. So, negative 21x plus x is negative 20. Tama ba? Hindi. Dapat always mag-equal dito. So, this is not the factor of this quadratic equation. Next, ang gagawin natin is pagbaliktadin natin yung sign. Sa sign muna tayo. Let's say dito yung negative, dito yung positive. So, ulit, paano ma-check kung tama ba to? Multiply, multiply. 1 times x is, ay isama natin yung sign, negative x. 7x times 3 is 21x. Pag inad mo sila, magiging 20x ang layo. So, ngayon, tapos na tayo sa sign. Sa number naman tayo mag-switch. Ibig sabihin, mali yung trinay natin. Ngayon, ang ililipat ko is yung dalawang number. Let's say, dito yung 3, dito yung 1. Check natin. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. 7x. Negative 3x plus 7x is positive 4x. Negative 4x yan. Malapit na tayo. Ang namali lang is yung sign. So, ang gagawin natin, i-flip natin yung, o papalitin natin yung sign nilang dalawa. Ito yung minus, ito yung plus. Tingnan natin kung ito na ba talaga. Check natin, we have 3x. Itong dalawa is negative 7x. 3x plus negative 7x is negative 4x. So, this is the factor of this trinomial. So, this is the final answer. So, ditong approach, pabilisan na lang tayo ng pag-check. Yung iba nga dyan, minimental na lang to. So, yun. Punta naman tayo sa may mga fraction at decimal kasi yun yung nakakainis. So, bigay ako ng examples. Dito muna tayo sa fraction. So, factor this. So, napapansin natin, lahat may 3. Ang gagawin ko, i-multiply ko sila lahat ng 3. Kasi makakancel lang naman yung 3. So, this, dito muna tayo sa pinakauna. Magiging 2x squared. Kasi makakancel lang naman yan. Dito naman tayo sa pangalawa. Magiging positive 7x. Dito naman tayo sa pangatlo. Magiging negative 4. And now, simple na lang. Whole number na sila. Pero, medyo mahirap kasi a is not equal to 1. So, gamitin natin yung natutunan natin. 2 is prime. 4 is not a prime. So, di kaya ng trial and error. Ang gagamitin natin is yung may product and may sum. Yung kanina pa lang na lesson natin. So, product is AC. B is the sum. AC is A, B, C. AC, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. B is 7. Now, isip ng dalawang number na pag multiply is negative 8. Pag inad is 7. So, try natin yung 1 and 7. Ay, 1 and 8. Kasi 1 times 8 is 8. So, pag inad mo sila is 9. Pero pag minus mo sila, 7. So, ang gagawin natin, since negative yung product, dapat negative yung isa sa kanila. Let's say ito. So, pag inad natin sila, 1 plus negative 8 is negative 7. Mali. Ang gagawin natin, ilipat natin dito. Negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. Negative 1 plus 8 is positive 7. So, tama nga yung sum nila. So, eto na yung dalawang numbers. Ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin sila ng x. Kahit wala na yung 1, ito is 8x. So, etong dalawa, insert natin sila dito. Papalitan natin ito. So, ito yung technique pala ng grouping. So, 2x squared, kinapi ko lang. Then dito, negative 4. Insert natin yung dalawa. Since 8 to, dito siya. O dito ka. Yung negative x dito lang siya. So now, pwede nating group. So, ito may same. We have x. Magiging 2x na lang. Minus 1. Dito may common na 4. We have 2x minus 1. Papansin nyo, Ito first, isa na lang na term, isa na lang na term. May common sila. 2x plus 1, ilabas natin. Ay minus 1 pala. Tapos ang natira na lang is x plus 4. So this is the factored form of this quadratic equation.
Oh my God! Wow!
So let's have the decimal na quadratic. Ito na, factor this out. 0.75x squared plus 1.75x minus 1.5. Mapapansin natin, lahat sila decimal. Ang gagawin natin is isi-simplify natin to. Dapat maging whole number sila. Palaging whole number. So, eto dalawang place ng decimal. Dalawa. Eto isa. So, piliin natin yung higher. So, 2 decimal places. Anong gagawin natin dito para maging maging whole number? Siyempre, i-multiply ko siya by 100. So, pag minultiply ko to, dapat i-multiply ko yung lahat. So, 100. Kasi pag minultiply mo to, 100 times 0.75 is 75 na lang. Then, copy x squared. Ito, pag minultiply mo to, magiging 175. Copy yung x. And ito, pag minultiply mo to is 150. So, check nyo na lang sa calculator. And now, mapapansin nyo, 75, 175, 150. Pwede natin ma-factor out yung GCF, which is 25. Divide natin each. Nagiging 3x squared. Divide. We have, ilan ba to? 7x. Then, ito, we have minus 6. And now, eto baga yung first natin, factoring technique. Ngayon, aalisin na natin siya. Eto na tayo mag-focus. So, 3, negative 6 prime, not a prime. So, ang gagamitin natin is yung grouping. So, yung may product and sum. Product is AC, sum is AB, is B. AC is 3 times negative 6, negative 18. B is 7. Isip na 2 numbers na pag minultiply is negative 18, pag inad is 7. So, ang may isip ko is 1 times 18, pwede man 2 times 9. So, para sa akin 2 times 9. Pero, dapat isa sa kanila is negative kasi para makakuha tayo ng negative na product. So, let's say negative 2 tapos 9. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Try natin i-add. Negative 2 plus 9 is positive 7, which is this. So, etong dalawa is tamang number. So, lagyan natin sila ng x. Ito na yung dalawang numbers na insert natin dito at papalitan yung gitna. So, burahin natin to para may space. So, copy yung first. And now, insert natin to. Since 9 and 2, gagamitin ko to ng 9. Tapos dito yung negative 2x. Tapos copy ko yung last. Kasi ito, pwedeng ma-factor out. Same with dito. So, factor this, we have 3x. Divide, we have x. Divide, we have 3. And dito, pwede malabas yung 2, negative 2. Magiging 2x na lang. Divide mo, magiging positive 3. So, one term. May common, ilabas natin. We have x plus 3. And yung natira na lang is 3x minus 2. So, this is the final answer.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, I hope naliwanagan kayo sa lahat ng klase ng quadratic equation. So, subscribe ka na at hit the notification bell para updated ka sa susunod na mga video natin. Thank you!